Then there is the other tool called the performance target systems. Performance target systems. We have performance target systems. These systems set the benchmarks for success. They set the benchmarks for success. They set benchmarks for success. Performance target. The target is a benchmark. All right. So performance target systems are systems that set by benchmarks for success. They tell managers what they will be rewarded for or what will cause them be fired. For example, you may have financial targets. Financial targets. Financial targets focus on metrics like the return on investment. That is a financial target. It could be cash flow or EBITDA. It could be cash flow and so on. So when do we use financial targets? Financial targets are used in divisional structure, where the parent company acts as a banker. So the parent doesn't care how you make the money as long as the numbers are met. So this one is used for divisionalized. Divisional. So that's the first target, financial target. Then there is strategic targets. Strategic targets. Strategic targets, on the other hand, focus on non-financial metrics. Focus on non-financial metrics. The strategic targets focus on non-financial metrics like market share, e.g., market share, customer satisfaction. These are non-financial metrics, innovation rate, and so on. So when do we use strategic targets? Strategic targets are used when pursuing a differentiation strategy. Differentiation strategy. You use these strategic targets when you want to apply differentiation strategy. So you might accept lower short-term profits to gain a dominant market share. So the focus here is not on the financial metrics. So that is all, candidates, for today's lesson on planning systems and performance targeting systems. We've said that in the alignment of organization and strategy, systems are the operating protocols that make the structure work. And the two of the most critical systems for a strategic director are the planning systems and the performance target. And we've explained how they are used. So that is the end of today's lesson. And therefore, candidates, I hope by now you should be able to explain how the planning systems and the performance targeting systems are used. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.